First, check out this channel called Yellow Dude, Jodor's Grav Gear. This channel creates short exercise and fitness videos, and it's incredible. It's such a great niche because people love this kind of content. With only around 80 videos, this channel has gained over 1.24 million subscribers. That's insane. Almost every video gets millions of views. Now take a look at the preview video I made. It looks realistic and professional, but guess what? It's completely made with AI! Alright, let's start with the first step. Step 1. Using ChatGPT for ideas and prompts. First, open ChatGPT. Copy the link of the channel Yellow Dude, R Grav Gear, and paste it into ChatGPT. Then ask, this is the channel I want to make videos like, about exercise. Next, go back to the channel. Take a few screenshots of the style, characters, or scenes you like, and upload them to ChatGPT. Then ask, can you give me 10 image prompts similar to this channel style, with a consistent character like this one? ChatGPT will instantly generate 10 awesome image prompts that match the same style and vibe as the Yellow Dude channel. But we're not done yet. Ask ChatGPT again. Please give me detailed prompts with a consistent character, like the Yellow Dude, in all images. This time, ChatGPT will create perfectly consistent character prompts for you, meaning your character will look the same in every single image. Then ask one more thing. Also, give me motion prompts. ChatGPT will then give you a full list of motion prompts, which you'll need later for video animation. Once done, save all your image and motion prompts safely for the next step. Step 2. Creating images in Google AI Studio. Now, go to Google AI Studio. It's super easy to use. Once the website is open, select the Nano Banana model. Copy your first image prompt from ChatGPT and paste it into the input box. Then choose the 16:9 aspect ratio, since that's the perfect size for YouTube videos. Click Generate, and within a few seconds your first AI-generated image will appear. Repeat this process for all your prompts. When all your images are ready, simply save them anywhere on your PC. Now we're ready to turn those images into full videos. Step 3. Turning images into videos with Higgsfield.ai. Now let's move to Higgsfield.ai. One of the best all-in-one AI video generation tools I've ever used. It's fast, clean, and gives professional quality motion videos. Once you're on the website, open the video section and select the model, Google Veo 3.1. Now upload your first image, the one you created in Google AI Studio. Next, go back to ChatGPT, copy your motion prompt, and paste it into Higgsfield's prompt box. Then choose the Google Veo 3 Fast mode. This mode gives you quick results without losing quality. Finally, click Generate and wait just 3 to 4 minutes, and boom, your video will be ready. You'll get a stunning, realistic animation, even with natural movement and sound. It looks like something straight out of a professional production studio. After that, save your video file. Repeat this process for all the remaining images and motion prompts until you have all your clips ready. Step 4. Editing the final video in CapCut. Now for the final step, editing. Open CapCut, one of the easiest and most powerful free editing tools. Import all your generated videos into the timeline in order. Here you can trim, adjust, or arrange your clips however you like. Add transitions for smooth scene changes, apply light effects, and enhance the visuals using filters or adjustments. You can even add background music, sound effects, and text overlays to make your video more dynamic and engaging. Once your editing is done, go to the export settings and select 4K resolution for the best quality. This will make your video look clean, cinematic, and ready to impress on YouTube. And that's it. In just a few simple steps, you've gone from a single idea to a complete, realistic AI-generated video. It looks awesome, it feels professional, and it's made entirely using free AI tools. So what are you waiting for? Try it out today and start creating your own AI-powered videos. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss future videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.